There's a lone stone house down a desert cul-de-sac. A father's hands made alone. The family names are carved in the cement. Where the pine tree stood, it's a brand new neighborhood. Everything they made is worn and torn away. There's a swimming hole down near the gravel pit. The people dare to jump in, so you went first. And when I took my turn, without a trace or sound, but I swam on, pretending I was fine. History's no mystery, where it stopped from you to me. There are never words left to explain how my days turn to nights, and you disappeared from sight, and I lost all of your things along the way. There's a truck outside, waiting in the pouring rain, just to drive away from a mother's tears she's held on to for years. You'll go into the night, the rest of your life to follow you have never seen. But you have faith and you have hope, that all you've known is not just smoke that rises up and blows out through the trees, that will lose their leaves as the seasons please, to show the year has died and gone away. Long nights with no starlight, traffic jokes up the west side. The radio is singing for you alone as you leave this world behind. There's a light that shines down from the Empire State, that reaches all across town, pulls people in on a spoon made of tin, with the promise of some bread and an easy death. Whatever you want, whatever you can get. Now you know everyone in here, a cigarette, another beer. But when all the bar stools are clear, who will know your fear as it draws so near, and you turn